¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning into yet another video of us coming at you live from the West Coast yet again. It is getting dark out here. Man, it was hot today. I was on my Evo today, at my Sportster all day today. You know, going to lunch, going back from and to work. People have been asking me. I get it on Instagram, I get it on my YouTube channel. I get comments, hey, where's the Lowrider S? Did you get rid of it? What's going on? Where is it? It's right here. It's right here. I still ride it. I haven't been, motovlogging on it. I'm trying to test my Sportster. I'm trying to put up, I'm trying to compare and contrast a lot of the parts. If you guys know, my Lowrider S, it got the special treatment. It got all the name brand manufacturer aftermarket parts. The only thing that's Amazon on this is obviously my auxiliary lights. That's the only thing on my lowrider that's made in China. I mean, most of this stuff obviously is made in China now. These are made in China, but these are custom dynamic signal lights. You guys see my Sportster, my club style Amazon budget Sportster. I have these similar lights, not from custom dynamic. There's a few things on here that are made 100% in America. The seat, the saddlebags, the exhaust, the air filter, and I believe even the Memphis shade fairing. I believe that's made here in the United States as well. So most of this is made in the USA. So yeah, it's here. It's right here, guys. I haven't gotten rid of it. I don't see myself getting rid of this bike, period. Man, she's a beautiful bike. I really dig this bike. After riding my Sportster close to, I think I have about a little bit over 1,000 miles on that thing. Like I said, I'm trying to get some miles on it so I could, do some follow-up videos on a lot of those parts. I've been getting messages about the foot pegs. I've been getting messages about the quality of some of the parts. Especially since everything's pretty much bought on Amazon. I think a lot of people right now, if you guys see what's going on, inflation, cost of all kinds of stuff, gas, there's a lot of stuff happening right now, and people just can't afford to pay these prices. The foot pegs on this bike, on my Lowrider S, are north of $150. And if you guys see my Sportster videos, you guys know I bought something similar for a fraction of the cost. I believe they were about like $24, $24. They were about, I know it's under $30, and they look and feel about the same. I'm gonna let these folks go ahead and cross over. Anyways, yeah, I've been getting messages about the handlebars, about the risers. You guys know I have tall risers. I have 16 inch bars on my Sportster, and I believe these are 13 inches, 14 inches on this one. So, these do feel taller, mainly because the seat height on this is about, I'd say about 4 to 5 inches shorter than my Roadster. It's a Roadster. It's got the taller shocks on the back, on the rear, so you sit a lot higher. I believe you sit at about 31 inches on the Roadster. So anyways, yeah, I still got the bike, guys. I'm not looking at getting rid of it. I'm, thinking about a couple different things I want to do with this bike. If you guys have been seeing my channel, I've been thinking about putting an FX3 fairing on this. I mean, I really like the way I have it set up. More of a detachable, light touring, sort of a build. I really dig it, but man, I just can't get over how good the FX3 fairing looks. Man, I dig that look, and I've told myself, if I get that FX3 fairing, you guys saw my paint job on my Sportster, I'm painting this bike 100%. So yeah, I mean, I'm almost done paying off the bike. So I believe I owe about $8,000 on it still. So I probably owe about, oh man, oh crap, that better not be a cop. There's always cops in this area. All right. anyways, man, I love that torque. And I wasn't even giving it a full throttle. Man, that was maybe about 40%, 30%. A lot of torque on these bikes on this Milwaukee 8. They have a lot of potential, and I have a few things planned. I just don't know where I want to go first. Like I said, I really like the FXRT fairing. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. But I gotta get this thing upgraded now. It's, you know, it's out of the factory warranty. I don't have extended warranty or anything like that. I've been looking at a few things. I definitely want to go stage 2 for sure. I just don't know if I want to go, you know, 124, 131, or, you know, something along those lines. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm waiting to see if I could get a, you know, a sponsor or something like that. Maybe SNS will sponsor, you know, this build or this next phase of the Lowrider S. I don't know. You guys saw Professional Monkey. He got that 131 for free, and I believe he got it installed for free too. I don't think he paid anything out of pocket. Man, that's sweet when you have that influence and you have that support for you to do something like that. But then again, you know, he's been buying brand new Harleys for years. So, man, I mean, I've owned three Harleys, and 2 of which are used. So, and you know, besides the fact I typically trash the network, and you know, I say my 2 cents. All right, I don't censor myself, that's for sure. So anyways, man, it's still here, almost paid off. Sorry if I'm repeating myself, but man, you know, I really dig this bike. I like it blacked out the way it is. It never gets old, obviously, and she looks good all the time. I mean, this is truly one of the most beautiful bikes Harley has ever manufactured, and I've always said it, you know, a lot of times. I believe the Lowrider S is by far the best Softail that Harley has to offer. You have, I'm gonna say it again, guys, I say it all the time, you have dual disc brakes, inverter forks, 114, and then now 117 if you go with the 2022. Man, you have great handlebars on this setup, 5-inch risers, mid bend bars on them. What is this again? 3.5 rise. So man, she feels good. Solo riding, obviously. Single seat, full rear fender, and a beautiful paint job with the beautiful, you know, subtle but beautiful tank badging on it. That iconic Lowrider S, or that iconic Lowrider tank badging since 1970. What was it, 72? I can't remember off the top of my head, but man, and she sounds amazing. All right, it's got that iconic sound. I can't, like I said, I've been in love with this bike ever since 2016, ever since the FX DLS. I really wanted to get one, and I got one, and like I said, I mean, I miss riding it. I don't like it, but I'm trying to get these videos out, these follow-up videos. I have follow-up videos for this build, and I have to update a couple, you know, videos out there. Obviously, I mean, these parts aren't cheap when you're, you know, buying from name brands, from these manufacturers, which are, you know, like I said, man, these ain't cheap. These risers, $600. You know, the cable kit itself, $300. Man, you know, it adds up quick. The exhaust itself, Cobra, great exhaust. You know, hindsight now, looking back 3 years, the pipe hasn't aged well. I mean, it sounds great, it performs good. Stock O2 sensors, man, I like it, but it just, you know, having 3 chrome pipes, or stainless steel, or brush finish, or aluminum finish, I think I'd probably, you know, for the next one, I'd definitely go, you know, with one of those options. But if Harley ever offers one of those great CVO, I don't know if you guys seen, man, that's why I say you gotta see these bikes in person. The CVOs, they have that, what was that called? A burned chrome or something like that? I can't remember. Last year's on the armored bronze CVO, man, that thing's beautiful. You really got to see these bikes in person. But man, I'm rambling. You guys hey, thanks for tuning into yet another video. Thank you for watching yet another video. I'm looking forward to building this bike out. Spend some money on it, but I already have a ton of money on the Sportster. That's I guess a few people were just saying, man, that's just that's probably a waste of money, but I don't know. I mean, even buying parts on this bike is technically a waste of money. You guys seen $1 Million Bogan? He spent $20,000 plus, almost $30,000 on his CVO that he purchased, that Road Glide. And he just kind of mentioned, hey, you know what, I don't have any vices. I don't spend my money on OnlyFans or anything like that. I don't think he said that, but I'm saying that, kind of like that viral audio thing going around. I never spent $5 on OnlyFans, or you guys know how it goes, all right? I never paid $5 to see, you guys know the word, on OnlyFans. Same thing with me. I don't spend my money on that crap. I never understood that stuff. OnlyFans, like, man, like, there's so much free stuff on the internet. You guys are paying $5 a month or whatever. I don't even know how it works. Somebody was explaining it to me, something about you still have to pay additional to see like the extra content. Man, that's nuts. What a waste of money. People were saying this is a waste of money. Yes, you lose value, but man, you get so much out of it. Mental health, physically, it's good for you to be out here riding. Man, it's what? It's almost 9 o'clock. It's 8:30 at night. And summer nights out here in Cali, it's absolutely beautiful. Man, it was hot today, but I just can't get enough of this. All right, you guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.